I messed up. And I'm done with this channel. Life beats us to rock bottom sometimes. And once we get to rock bottom, life grabs a shovel, starts digging, making it even deeper. The stresses of life add up, bills pile up, relationship issues, the stress from work, getting lost in family events, makes you go to the refrigerator, grab a beer, just so you can lose yourself from yourself. So I'm done, and the only person to blame is me. So let's make some changes and get this stuff going. If you're on this channel because of the abandoned house, all of that content has been re-edited, moved over to another page at WIlt Built. And what's that mean about this channel? This is a channel about me, Barclay WIlt, and starting my life over and becoming the person who I want to be. It's time to knock the dust off of life and get back to where I used to be, the person I want to be.